my English video. Today I want to talk about the topic of nature. Let's get started. My name is Hiền. My full name is Nguyễn Thị Thu Hiền. I am 19 years old. I was born on July 19, 2006. I am from Ninh Bình. I am Vietnamese and now I live in Hoàng Mai district. Hà Nội city is a very big city. I am a student at Hà Nội University of Business and Technology. I study finance. I want to be a businessman. If you want to call me, my phone number is 0123456789. I often use it to call my parents, talk to my friends, or watch TikTok, Facebook, and use them to learn. I have many hobbies. I like listening to music, watching TV, and reading books. In my free time, I like cooking and reading comics. I'm 1.6 meters tall and I weigh 50 kilograms. I have a healthy body. There are 4 people in my family. They are my father, my mother, my younger brother, and me. I live in a big city in Vietnam. There are many buildings, shops, and cars. The city is very busy, but I still love it. Near my house, there is a small park. The park has green trees, flowers, and a lake. I often go there with my friends. I like walking and riding my bike. I take photos and play games. We play games and enjoy nature. Near my grandparents, there is a big market. The market has everything I want to buy. I often go there with my friends. I like buying vegetables and fruit. We buy food for cooking lunch and dinner. Near my school, there is a river. The river has water, fish, and rocks. I often go there with my friends. I like go swimming, go fishing, and enjoy nature. We go to the park and shopping. Every morning, I wake up early and do exercise. I reduce oil and fat in my breakfast. I always save power and water at home. I always and often clean the garden and take care of the plant. On weekends, I go to the park shopping and go to the market. We can keep our city clean and I believe we can do it. That's all. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.